It's been a while since I've been home, and today I visited home, and I'm surprised. Mama has decided to use all this unoccupied space since we left home. She has used all the unoccupied space to keep the chickens. She has chickens that have these are the chicks. I think they are 2 weeks old, if I'm not wrong, and the other ones they were around 1 month, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure. I didn't ask, but I was assuming. So this puppy is looking after the chickens, and the cow is grazing as usual near the house. Isn't she cute? Now this one likes playing. So every time I come near him, he wants us to play. And who am I to refuse? We play. Here he is trying to pull my brother's leg. Ah. Now this dog is not our dog. He's a neighbor's dog. Every time he notices that we have come home, he has to come and greet us. Look at how excited he is. I love this dog. I wish this neighbor can give my mama this dog so it just remains home because it loves coming home. It knows we are dog people. It knows, it feels it. We treat it right. Ah, look at how cute he is. Now these two decided that they were not going to help us in the kitchen, but they are going to play because they love playing. So let me go help the others in the kitchen. This is my big sister. She's cooking ugali. We are using, what are we using? It's firewood. We are using firewood. And she's cooking ugali for us before we continue doing other work. So as she's cooking, I'm helping with lighting the fire. So our kid sister is preparing chicken on the other side of the other side of the fire. She's trying to remove those those fur that never came out while she was plucking them out. So my work here was to just ensure that the fire is lighting properly so that the ugali cooks well and mama doesn't beat us up. Now this is how we cook ugali in the village. After eating, we're going to mull the house. Do you know what to mull is? Okay, I've used Kalenjin. I don't know how to say it, but this is how we cement using soil and manure, fresh manure. That's how we cement the floor. And this is a store. It's a mud store. It is thatched. So you are going to prepare the soil, mix it with the water and the manure. Okay, for those who don't know, this is cow poop. Yes, cow, it's not droppings. I know it's not droppings, but I know it's poop. It's cow poop. We mix it together. That poop prevents the house, the floor from becoming dusty for a while, not forever, for a while, and then we then repeat the process again after a month or two. So we had called this lady here to help us. Not that we don't know how to do it, but we had other things to do. That's why we couldn't do it. So she was preparing the soil. But this is not the normal soil we use. We usually go to the riverside and or the where the spring is, and then we collect that clay, that white grayish clay. Then we mix it with water together with the cow poop, like the way she's doing. Mix it up properly so that it mixes very well. And then we start smearing the floor. So this is how she's doing it, and my sister realized there's a hole created on the wall of the hut. We don't know which creature created it, so we had to fill it up because we don't know if it is the rat, and this is a store. And that's it. And the lady has started smearing. So each time the mixture looks or feels dry, she always adds some water to make it, at least to make it, how will I say it, so that it becomes easier to smear. It just smoothens as you go. But when it is too dry, it won't work. It needs to be has a little bit of water. So she'll be doing this inside this hut, the whole of this hut. But I'm sorry, I forgot to record the outcome because I was supposed to go back to my house and it was far, so I wasn't able to do that. I hope this video was enjoyable. Bye, see you in the next one.